Hello friends, when watching this video you might be surprised because usually what I bring to you through my videos is either an educative speech or an important spoken English tactic that will be useful to you in brushing up your day-to-day English. But today in this video I am going to talk to you something totally different, totally strange. As a young man like you, an idea hit upon my head, an idea hit upon in my mind about earning money online. So I have been searching for it. I have been looking for new ways for years. About 2 months ago, when I was reading a magazine on IT subject, I happened to see an advertisement published by an e-money company, an e-money institute about earning money online. I was very happy. I was delighted. I called them and got further information about the course. I was satisfied with the description of the telephone operator girl. I went to the course. I went to that institute. The thing that I want to highlight is the total cost or the total fee. The total course fee was 15,000 rupees just for 2 days. It was a 2-day course. On the first day, a theory part was held, and on the second day, a practical part was held. I went there, paid money, and I entered the lecture room. I entered the lecture hall. During the course of the lecture, I realized that what they were doing was a fraud. What they were doing was just earning money by cheating innocent people. I was frustrated. On the other hand, I felt very angry with myself. After the course, in a frustrated mood, I came home. Not only I was frustrated, but also I was scolded by my parents, and my friends laughed at me for wasting my hard-earned money. It was not 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees. It was 15,000 rupees on 2 days, just on 2 days. Just after 3-4 days after that course, the whole country was locked down due to the corona pandemic. So we were stuck inside the houses. We had nothing to do. We were frustrated. We had nothing to do. So when I was looking for something important, something valuable to do, I hit upon an idea again. I searched on the YouTube. When I was searching on YouTube about the videos for videos on earning money online, I saw various videos. I saw numerous videos. I saw hundreds of videos on earning money online. Among them, I'm very happy to tell you that I found 2 Sri Lankan guys, 2 local guys who actually talked the truth about earning money, and they are very trustworthy. That means they can be trusted. One guy was Coach the Balasurya, who brings the Gaming Panda YouTube channel to you. He brings the Gaming Panda YouTube channel. The other guy is actually I don't remember his name, but the name of his YouTube channel is TechCD channel, TECHCD, TechCD channel. I watched their videos and I realized that what they were talking was legitimate. We can trust them. So after watching their videos, I kept searching. I kept testing them. I kept following their tutorials. While doing their tutorials, I happened to find another 2 American guys, 2 foreign guys. One was Alan, who brings Smart Money Tactics channel, and the other guy was John Crestani, who is a millionaire. John Crestani from America. In addition to watching Koshita's and TechCD channel, the videos of TechCD channel, I made it a habit to watch Alan's videos and John Crestani's videos, and I kept doing them. I followed their tutorials. They were somewhat successful. They worked. I was happy. By bringing this video, in this video, what I want to say is there might be hundreds of people, hundreds of youth who have already wasted their money on fraudulent companies, on fraudulent e-money companies, fraudulent e-money institutes like that. But don't give up. Don't be frustrated. Go on to YouTube and watch videos of the guys that I mentioned earlier, and try to find some legitimate ways. I won't say that you can become a millionaire or you can become a billionaire overnight or within 2-3 days. But if you keep trying, if you have a real enthusiasm, if you are really interested in earning money online, you will be lucky enough, you will be fortunate enough to find legitimate and good practical ways to earn money online. So in my experience, what I gained during the last 2 months, what I can say is the best and the most practical and the easiest free traffic method or the easiest way to earn money is YouTube, making YouTube channels or making YouTube videos. So this can be a new thing to you. Sometimes this can be a difficult thing to you, but don't give up. Try it and try to earn some money online. Down the description of this video, I have pasted some important links. One link is about John Crestani's free webinar. This free webinar, the specialty of this free webinar or the good thing about this free webinar is it is completely free, and I think it will be very useful to you. It will be very useful to you if you want to learn real money tactics. So go down the description, click on them and try to find something practical, something productive that will be useful in bringing your life on the right track. So with this request and with this advice, I may take your leave. Thank you.